We're in DEF CON 30 in the Blacks in Cyber Village with Lorenzo White. Can you tell me a little bit about the village?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So Blacks in Cyber, we are an organization, it's a group just trying to promote inclusion, help get more blacks into cybersecurity, give them an opportunity to learn. We have mentorship programs, we have programs to get people certified in cyber, opportunities for internships. We have a whole community of people and getting leads, job leads, entrepreneurship, everything we do. So that's pretty much what we do, just getting everybody involved in the community, help them get plugged in. Some people are getting there, getting monitored. We get people in college getting mentored. So all the above, just trying to help everybody do better cyber.
That really is awesome. Now, it's a new village. It's only been here a couple of years, hasn't it?
Second year.
So how did you go about getting the village started?
That's a great question. So our founder, Michaela, she's the one that did all the legwork. I got pulled in to help, so I'm here helping out as a volunteer and kind of managing the village today. Basically, we're hoping to grow every year, try to get more people involved, and hopefully become one of the bigger villages overall.
That's great. I love the fact that there's so much space at the village, and what's crazy too is you have all these talks going on, but then as I look over here, there's a remote talk going on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How many talks do you have going on? Does it go like the entire conference?
I think we pretty much have one every hour throughout the day, a break in the middle of the day, like around lunchtime. We have a few people here live doing them. And we also have some people remote that are doing the live. Mostly it's pre-recorded, so you don't have to worry about any technical issues. So they're being streamed online. Then we have the actual people that are showing up on site and doing their talks live.
And it looks like there's a CTF going on as well. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, we have a CTF start. It started at noon today. It'll go on throughout the whole conference. We have a couple guys that are running the CTF, and they're just helping people along. And that's actually online also. So people at home can join in on the conference on the CTF as well.
And so with so much going on between the talks and everything at DEF CON, obviously I'm assuming this goes beyond DEF CON. This isn't just a DEF CON specific thing. You're represented here, but it goes throughout the whole year.
Yeah. We have things throughout the year. We have a mentorship program we do throughout the year. We have a whole community online on Discord, and we all communicate with each other. I actually met Michaela several years ago at DEF CON at a meetup. She had just founded a group. And I've been following ever since, and I've just gotten involved in the past year or so. I've gotten involved with the organization.
And where can anyone go to learn more about this?
You can easily just look up our website. It is Blacks in Cyber. You can actually just Google Blacks in Cyber, it'll pull up. We're on LinkedIn, we're on Twitter, Instagram, I believe, as well. And anybody wants to join, there's a join tab. You can get invited to our Discord group, and then
I love to see. It's great seeing new villages, especially new villages who pull a core concept and then it just expands organically. I'm amazed, especially again, last year was a difficult year, especially for villages who were starting because there wasn't a lot of people at DEF CON. It's so cool to see how this one has expanded to this great space, and then seeing some of the incredible artwork that you've done. It is such a cool village. Is there anything else that you want to tell us about the village?
No, I mean, it's just been a great place to meet people. We met so many people today. A lot of people are just happy that we're here, so they have someone to talk to. Whether it's getting job leads or find out whether they need guidance in their career. So a lot of people have been happy that we are here. We're getting them plugged in, helping them get into the actual organization, join, and then become part of the overall community.
That's great. Thank you so much. Again, I know we're talking over each other a little bit. It's loud in this room. Thank you so much for your time.
No problem.
Thanks for watching, and as always, hack on.